Today's edition of Let's Chat has to do with going back to school. Hi, I'm Lisa Marie. Welcome to my channel, Living My Best Life Over 50, Your Best Life, whatever age you are. I make videos on aging and being relevant so that you can live your best life at any age. If you're new here, I invite you to subscribe. And if you've been here before, welcome back. Before we get into it, let's talk about our word or phrase of the day. It is secret squirrel. So stay tuned to the end so you can find out what secret squirrel means. This is kind of funny. Going back to school. For most of the people probably watching this video, not all, but for a lot of you, you may be past the age of going back to school like college or university. Maybe you didn't, or you started and you didn't finish. And sometimes you just can't get as far as you'd like to in your career, or even get into a career that pays something that you want. But what I did was I was in my mid-30s. And I had not finished my degree yet. I had gone to college for a couple years, but I just got busy with life and I didn't finish it. Then I got married and I had my first child, and I was working, but I kind of kept hitting the ceiling, like I couldn't get promoted any further without a degree, which was so frustrating because I knew I could do the jobs. It was just a hoop I had to jump through. So I finally decided, okay, fine, I'm going to go back to school. In my mid-30s, I enrolled and I went back to school and I finished my bachelor's degree. And I got to tell you something, when I did, opportunities opened up like crazy. I quadrupled my income in a matter of years, and I became, very successful at what I did do before when I was working. Before I retired. I want to encourage you that it doesn't matter what your age is, as long as you still have the drive inside to continue to succeed and to achieve more, you can do it. And one thing, I used to mentor a lot of people in my previous career, and a lot of them hadn't gone back to school, but it would help their career if they did. And the one piece of advice that I love to give people when it comes to this is, in 2, 3, or 4 years from now, that time is still going to pass, no matter what you do or don't do. At the end of that time, wouldn't you love to have something to show for it? Instead of looking back and thinking, I would have been done by now if I just started. And that goes not just for going back to school, but with anything you're kind of putting off doing. The time passes no matter what. You might as well do it so you will have accomplished something by the end. So that's my encouragement to you if you're thinking about going back to school or that would benefit your life greatly. It's also a great example to show your kids. My son got to come to my university graduation, and it was so cute. When I went up to receive an award that I had gotten, he ran all the way up in front of thousands and thousands of people and ran up yelling "Mommy" when I got my award and my degree. It was so sweet. But now he has graduated college. I did sow some seeds there, and you can too. And you know what? You might even be the first one in your family to graduate college. Who cares how old you are? If you want to do it, you do it. And if you can only take 1 or 2 classes at a time, that's okay too. Do what you can do, because every time you finish a class, that's one less you have to take. And every time that passes, you've accomplished something. Let's get to our word or expression of the day, secret squirrel. It has to do with secret agents like CIA, FBI, ATF, undercover cops, whatever you call it where you live. That's what secret squirrel is. So now you know, and you can be part of the conversation. I'll see you the next time we chat. Bye.